Hello, everyone. Welcome to this channel. Today, I am going to show how you can easily build a chatbot without any coding. I just found a great new platform for building advanced AI chatbots visually without any sort of code. This is one of the easiest ways for you to create chatbots, and it's a platform called Chatling. With Chatling, you can build advanced AI chatbots visually within a couple of minutes. Powered by GPT and Claude, it can be deployed to any website to automate customer support, lead generation, your marketing, as well as many other areas. With Chatling, you can import data such as your website content or even documents into a knowledge base to train the AI. This allows the chatbot to automatically and accurately respond to customer inquiries, enhancing the user experience and improving customer satisfaction. Now, all of them are definitely great, but they do require more configuration for you to build advanced AI chatbots. Whereas with a platform like Chatling, you're going to be able to easily build advanced AI chatbots visually, and this is with no code required. It's something that takes you a couple of seconds to easily configure and build your personalized AI chatbot, which is why I really wanted to make a video with Chatling. What's great is that Chatling actually offers a drag and drop builder where you can create chatbots easily with its intuitive visual builder. So what I want you guys to do is head over to Chatling AI, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. Once you are here, I want you to click on Start for free. We're going to be prompted to create and register an account. So what you should do is fill out these fields and we can then proceed forward. Once you have created your account, you'll then be sent over to the main dashboard of Chatling. This is where you're going to simply click on this button to get started to create your chatbot. On the left-hand side, you have many different categories such as helpful resources like the documentation that you can refer to, where they explain all the different components of Chatling. But you also have all your projects and settings over here. You can also invite other members to your Chatling dashboard, and there's the ability for you to change your emails and settings in the Settings tab. So now that we have all of this configured and ready, what we're going to be doing is heading back into the main dashboard and clicking on Create Your Chatbot. This is where you're going to start off by setting up your chatbot with a couple of templates that have already been pre-made, such as an AI chatbot that can automatically respond to customers by leveraging your data. You can simply feed in your data, and then you can basically access the pre-made chatbot. You also have a basic lead generation template, as well as a lead generation plus AI template, which harnesses AI to engage with prospects. So what we're going to be doing now is creating our chatbot from scratch. Simply go over to My Chatbots, click on that button, and then click on Start. From scratch, give it a name. In this case, we're going to create a Simplify AI chatbot. So I'm going to be showcasing all the elements of Chatling as I create my Simplify AI chatbot, which is going to assist my viewers, as well as my clients, with information regarding my YouTube channel and specific video topic. So let's go ahead and create this chatbot. Once you do so, you'll be sent over the main dashboard. Now, once you are here, if you click on the builder, it will take you to the drag and drop you to build out your chatbot. So that is something we're going to showcase in a bit. If you go over to the knowledge base, you can simply upload your data sources from websites to documents, which is really unique, and this is something that many other platforms do not actually offer. You can also input a list of different URLs and upload various document types such as text FAQ as well as Zoho. In terms of the appearance, you can configure the chatbot widget and format how it looks on a website. It's a great way to further customize the appearance of your chatbot. The Conversation tab is going to showcase the conversations made with your chatbot. So in this case, if you're making a lead generation chatbot, it will process all the leads through this tab. Now, if you go to the Contacts and Leads tab, it would extract certain fields that are being captured within your chatbot and display them here. In the settings, you can change the visibility. The website integration is another part one can showcase shortly. So essentially, you can display it as a floating chat, an inline chat, or even a full screen chat. You would simply copy the code, press the button, and add it to your website's HTML quite easily. There's actually an integration guide within their documentation, so if you're interested, definitely take a look at the docs to see how you can integrate the chatbots. A really cool feature is that you can integrate this with Zapier. With Zapier, you'll be able to add automation functionality to your chatbot. You'll also be able to manage your projects and have members integrated within your platform. Now that we have all that out of the way, we're going to start off by creating our chatbot from scratch. Essentially, getting started with the builder is quite easy because you only have 3 categories. You have blocks, which are different action items. You have variables, where you can store data from the chatbot such as email, job title, name, phone number, and website. This would be useful if you're creating a lead generation flow. Then you have AI configuration, which includes different types of AI prompts that you can implement within your workflows, such as providing instructions to the AI to respond or talk in a certain manner or generate a specific response. But you also have the knowledge base that you can reference, and you can choose from various models, from the Haiku model all the way to Deb 4. I went ahead and created the first step of our chatbot. This is where I went over to blocks and added a send message node. This node will send a message to whoever interacts with my chatbot. It will display a text message that says, "Hey there," which will greet the person interacting with the chatbot. You can also configure it to display a video or audio. In this case, we're creating a chatbot that will assist with QA or question answering. So what we're going to be doing is having AI take care of the answers. To do so, we're going to click on blocks and go over to the I section where we paste in an AI node. You can give it a certain type of AI configuration or an instruction. What we're going to do next is head over to the AI configuration, click on instruction, and add an instruction. So I went ahead and wrote up a script that will give instructions to the AI to tailor its responses. Now I'm going to configure the knowledge base. To do this, just click on the AI node or the group 1 node that we just created. And next we're going to add a data source because we wanted to reference our knowledge base so it can tailor its answers based on the knowledge we provided. In this case, we're going to create a new data source with a couple of websites and documents. I'm going to go ahead and do this. For example, I'm providing the Simplify AI YouTube channel link to Chatling, and it's taking the time to crawl the website. It will format that data in a way that adds it to the data source. By simply providing one URL, it was able to find hundreds of different links associated with my channel. So I've added my data source, and now you can configure the AI response node. In this case, you can even enter queries for the AI to respond to or insert a variable. You can set it to store responses based on a variable, allowing you to collect things like email addresses, have the AI process them, and respond in various languages. For example, if you're going to be capturing responses, you can configure it to capture an email address and add it to this AI node. Now we're going on to the next step, which is ensuring it proceeds and provides an answer. To do this, you'll go back into the blocks. You want to have it capture a response after sending an introductory text. But then, connect this node to the AI response node, simply click on save, and you can preview your bot. So in this case, it's going to start off by sending that introductory text, which we have over here. Then you can ask a question like, "Hi, what is Simplify AI?" The chatbot will then utilize AI as well as the data source to respond with the appropriate answer. And there you go, you have a generic chatbot that was created. So in this case, you can have it published within a couple of seconds by simply clicking on the publish button. You can then head over to the main dashboard, go over to the website widget, and import it into any sort of integration. And you can even have it shared as a link, like I mentioned. What I'm going to do now is provide a bit of styling. In this case, I'm going to go over to Avaturance and change the logo to the Simplify AI logo. There we go, I have a logo now, and I've renamed it as the Simplify AI chatbot. Now I can share this around and provide it to my viewers. So if they have any sort of question about a certain topic, the chatbot will provide a link to a video and assist them accordingly. This is how you're able to create various sorts of chatbots with Chatling. This was a very basic example. If you integrate it with various tools like Zapier, you'll be able to create more intricate AI chatbots. You can even have it process different types of multimodal content, such as videos or audio. The Chatling offers a lot of functionality, which is why I chose it as a great platform to make a video on. It's a really great way to create intricate, advanced AI chatbots in an easy manner using the drag and drop UI. And that's basically it for today's video on Chatling. I definitely recommend you check this out because it's a great way to create advanced AI chatbots quite easily. I'll leave the link in the description below so that you can get started right away.